Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will do exercise 6.2 of class 6th. In this video we will do question number 1 and 2 only. Question number 1 is using the number line write the integer which is. So we have to answer the following things, but we have to use number line. So we know in the number line on the right side we are going with the increasing order. It means on the number line, here if we have 0, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they all are increasing on the right hand side. So whenever we see plus, which symbol? Whenever we see plus or more in the question, that means we have to go on the right side. And it's opposite. Whenever we see subtraction or less, on that time we have to go on left side, because on the left side we have number in the decreasing order, because when we start from 5, if we moving on the left hand side, 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 4 and 5, 2 is less than 3, 4, 5. So on the left side we have decreasing order, on the right side we have increasing order. Let's do the question. Question first is using the number line write the integers which is. Its a is 3 more than 5. So we have to show when we do 3 more from 5 what will come. So firstly we have to show the number line that I already drawn, but I did not put an any integer. So firstly we have to put 0. On the right hand side of 0 we have all the positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the left hand side negative, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Now 3 more than 5, it means we are standing on the 5, but how we are coming directly on the 5? So always remember we have to start from which number? We have to start from 0. Okay, we have to start from 0. 0 we know we are standing on the 5, but up till how we reach 5? We reach 5 through the 0. So we have to start with 0. Directly we will jump on the 5. Okay, from here directly I am jumping on the 5. So here we are standing. Okay, now we have go 3 more than 5. So how many steps we have to jump? We have to jump 3 more steps on the right hand side, because here more word is here. So this is first step, this is second step, this is third step. Here we reach which number? Here we reach 8 number integer. So its answer will come positive 8. Okay, directly we was know that we were standing on the 5. That's why directly from 0 directly bigger jump will put us on the 5. Then we will take the small jump that is given in the question. 3 small jump we have to take. Now B, 5 more than negative 5. So in this question where we have been standing? We have been standing on the negative 5. It means we have to need more negative number. Okay, so here I am putting 0 in the middle, positive 1, 2, 3. So here the number line. Firstly we know we are standing on the negative 5. So how directly we are reaching the negative 5? Firstly we have to start from the 0, and directly from the 0 we will reach negative 5. Okay, now we know we are standing on the negative 5. Now question said 5 more than negative 5. Okay, it means we have to go on the right hand side. Okay, right hand side. So here we seen the bigger arrow, so we can go downwards only. Okay, this is first step, this is second step, this is third step, this is fourth step, and this is fifth step. In the fifth step we reach which number? We reach 0. So its answer is 0. Okay, you can put here the arrows on the right hand side because we are going on the right. Now C number question, 6 less than 2. So we have to put 0, then 1, 2. So here is the number line. We have to go 6 less than 2. It means we are standing on the 2. Where is 2? Here is 2. So we have to move from there here on the from 2. But directly how can we come to on 2? We have to go on the 0, and firstly we have to reach 2. So here we reach 2. Okay, we can draw arrow on the upside, on the downside as we want. Okay, so firstly from 0 we reach 2. Now 6 less than 2. Here we have less word for 6. How many steps we have to go on the left side? 6 steps. So from the 2 we will jump 6 steps on the left hand side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We reach which number? We reach -4 from left side. That's why on every step we have to put left arrow. Here what we reach? Here we reach -4. D, 3 less than -2. So we have to firstly draw the number line. Okay, so here I am putting 0 in the middle of the number line. So here is the number line. Okay, D is telling us to do 3 less than -2. From which? From -2. Have you seen -2? Here is -2. So how can we directly reach -2? Firstly we have to go on the 0, and from the 0 we have to reach -2 in the one step. So in the one step we directly reach -2, and they are telling us you have to go 3 steps less. Less means which side? On the left hand side we have to go. So let's move 3 steps. So this is first, this is second, this is third step, and we reach which number? We reach -5. And which direction is this? This is left direction. That's why we have to put left arrow, and here we reach -5. So here we completed question number first of exercise 6.2. Now question number 2 is just same as question number 1. Okay, question number 2, use number lines and add the following integers. It is 9 plus -6. 9 plus -6. This we have to do through the number line. Okay, so same as the previous, we have to see when we see plus, on that time we have to go on the right hand side. When we have to see negative symbol in the question, on that time we have to go on the left side. So let's firstly put the integers. Here we have to need 9 positive integers. That's why here I am putting 0 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So here we have first number as a 9. It means we are standing on the 9. Have you seen 9? Yes, here is 9. So how can we directly reach 9? We have to go firstly on the 0, and from the 0 we have to reach 9 in the one step. So here I am taking one step to reach 9. Okay, have you seen? I reached 9 in the one step. Okay, now we have to do 9 plus -6. So here we have -6 in the bracket. Ignore this plus. In the bracket we have -6. It means we see subtraction symbol. It means we have to go on the which direction? We have to go in the left direction from 9. We have to go left direction in the 9. Okay, now From 9 we will start taking left direction. How many steps we have to take? We have to take 6 steps. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. Which number we reach? We reach 3 number after taking 6 steps on the left hand side. So here is the answer. Its answer is 3. Now B is 5 plus minus 11. 5 plus minus 11. Let's do the numbering of the number line. So here is B and its number line 5 plus negative 11. Its first number is 5. It means we are standing on the 5. Have you seen 5? Here is 5. So how can we directly reach 5? We have to reach 5 through the one step from 0. So this is, I am taking one step from 0 to reach 5. So this is the step of reaching 5. Now we have to go plus. Okay, plus. But inside the bracket we have negative 11. Okay, we have negative 11. And negative symbol is telling us to go on the left side. So we have to go on the left side. How many steps we have to take? We have to take 11 steps. So let's take 11 steps. Okay, slowly. From 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which number we reach? We reach negative 6. It means its answer is negative 6 and in the left direction we gone. That's why left side arrow will open here. Okay. Now C number question is negative 1 and negative 7. Same as previous we have to do. In this both number are negative. Negative 1 plus negative 7. It means we have to need more negative number because both are negative. So we don't know which number is coming. Both are negative. So maybe negative number will only come. Okay. So we need more negative number. That's why I am shifting 0 on the right hand side. So 0 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Same as in this side we will do. Now in the C, first integer is negative 1. It means we are standing on the negative 1. Here is negative 1. And how can we directly reach negative 1? We reach negative 1 through the 0 in the one step. So this is the one step to reaching negative 1. Now we have to go negative 7. Negative 7. Okay. So negative 7, we see negative symbol. It means we have to go on the left hand side. And how many steps we have to take? We have to take 7 steps. So let's do. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Which integer we reach? We reach negative 8. And we go on the left hand side. That's why here is the left handed arrow. So here we reach negative 8. Now you can see beta. The first step that is we are taking from 0, that's I am taking on the upside, and the next step that we are adding into the first number that is in the negative 1, in the 5 and the 9, they all I am drawing in the downside. So the first step that we are taking from 0, that is the reaching step for reaching the first number. Now we have to go B. In this first number is negative 5. Let's do it. So first number is negative 5. Here is the number line. Have you seen negative 5? Yeah, here is negative 5. So it means we are standing on the negative 5. How can we directly reach negative 5? We can reach negative 5 through the 0 in the one step. So here we reach negative 5 in the one step. Now in the negative 5 we have to add 10. Only we have add 10. Addition symbol is there. It means we have to go on the right side. Have you seen right side? Yeah, this is the right hand side. So we have to take 10 steps. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We reach which number? We reach 5. Okay, we reach 5 and we go on the right side. That's why here I am putting right sided arrow. So here is the answer of D, that is positive 5. Now E is negative 1 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. Now let's do how to do it. Firstly, we will draw the number line. All numbers are negative, it means we have to need negative numbers more. That's why I am putting here 0 on the right hand side. Okay, after taking more spaces from the left side, here is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is the number line. In the question we have first number is negative 1. So we are standing on the negative 1 firstly. So here is negative 1. How can we directly reach negative 1? From the 0, in the first step we can reach negative 1. So this is the reaching of first number step. Now from negative 1 we have to add negative 2. Here negative 2 is here. That's why we have to go on the left hand side. Okay, left hand side we have to see the symbol of the number. Left hand side we have to jump how many steps? 2 steps. So this is 1 and this is 2 step and we reach negative 3. If question is this much, so our answer is negative 3. But our question is not stopping here. Our question is also giving us negative 3. So this is the answer of first 2. Now we have to add the answer of first 2 into the third one. Now here, that's why we are taking here the new things that we are, that's why I am taking new things on the upside. Okay, so negative 3, from this we have to start again. This is the answer of first and second, that's why I am going on the upside. So from negative 3 we have to do negative 3 also. Negative symbol is here. This means we have to go on the left hand side. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3 and we reach negative 6. Okay, left side we go on, that's why left arrow is here and its answer is negative 6. Question number F, negative 2 plus 8 plus negative 4. It means we are standing on the negative 2. So let's do it. Here is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I drawn the number line. Here firstly we are standing on the negative 2. Have you seen negative 2 in the number line? Here is negative 2. So it means we are standing on the negative 2. How can we reach directly negative 2? We can reach directly negative 2 through 0 in the one jump. So here is the one jump and we reach negative 2 from 0. Now we have to do plus 8. Plus symbol is here. It means we have to go. We have to go right side. How many steps? Through the 8 step. So from 2 we have to take 8 steps on the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the 8 step we reach 6. Okay, right side we go on. That's why here right handed arrow is here. Now as you can see, if we have quotient till negative 2 and 8, our answer is 6. But we have also plus inside the bracket negative 4. Inside the bracket we have negative symbol. That's why we have to do negative 4 also in the answer of first 2. Answer of first 2 is 6. Negative symbol is here. It means we have to go on the left side. How many steps? 4 steps. So from here we have to go. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we reach 2. Lastly we reach 2, that is positive, through the left side. Lastly we go on left side and lastly we reach 2. On 2 we stopped, that's why 2 is our answer. So here we completed question number 1 and 2 of exercise 6.2 of class 6th.